We frequently see wheels that are bent, buckled and knocked out of shape, usually by poor road conditions like potholes. Now this can cause the car to vibrate or even lose tyre pressure. Now you can get £250 new alloy or what we call wheel straightening for £60. We use specialist equipment just like this. Now we find where any buckles or dents are, as you can see here. And then it's the fun part, heating it up. Now this makes the alloy a lot more easier to work with so that we can mould it back into shape. So let's just appreciate this for a second. Once heated up, we can then start to straighten it out or make it more of a circle. Now it will never get back to 100%, but it will be a lot better and prevent any disturbance, and the rest of the balancing will take it out. We then add a little bit of paint afterwards, which takes the variation away and you'll never see it on the outside. We then wait for the wheel to cool down because it will still be very hot, and then refit the tyre, balance the wheel and back on the road you go. We recommend you book an appointment just to make sure the expert technician and machine is available. It takes about 35 to 40 minutes, so you're not waiting too long. You can find our wheel straightening exclusively at 5 of our branches: Derby, Rugby, Leicester, Newark and here at Grantham.